Hello! Today I will tell you how to pickle green tomatoes. Autumn has come with early frosts. Our tomatoes haven't had time to ripen and winter is already here. They've been picked and they won't ripen anymore. But on our table there will be very tasty pickled tomatoes. The recipe is as follows. For 1 kilogram of green tomatoes, you need a sweet pepper, half a head of garlic, and some herbs. In our case, we took 2 kilograms of green tomatoes, so we need 2 sweet peppers. A head of garlic has been peeled, and some herbs. What are we doing? We will cut the tomatoes into a bowl. Tomatoes, however you like them. You can cut the round ones into 4 pieces, big ones into 6-8 pieces. We will cut the sweet pepper. In it goes. We will crush the garlic in the garlic press and chop the herbs. Here's what we have now. Here we chop the garlic, sweet pepper and herbs. We put all the little tomatoes in the pot. We cut them like this for those who like them in rings. We chop the cream. This is how it goes. Now the most important part, Marina. This is for 1 kilogram of green tomatoes. We need 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 50 grams of vinegar. This is what we are doing right now. So for 2 kilograms, we need to use 2 tablespoons of salt, so approximately 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 100 grams of vinegar. Mix everything together thoroughly. We leave it at room temperature until morning. And in the morning it's all ready. The aroma of garlic and the herbs is wonderful and pleasant. For those who like it spicy, you can add some hot red pepper here. But we didn't do that. We will store this in the fridge. In the morning it will be ready, pickled, and you can eat this salad. But if you want to make a larger batch, bigger portions for the winter, then please use sterilized jars. That's how we did it. It stores wonderfully. You put everything into sterilized jars and cover it with a nylon lid and take it and store it in the fridge. Or you can even take it down to the basement. Enjoy your meal.